Introduction. If you have valuable knowledge in a niche that is in demand, you can make a significant income as an online coach. A lot of people try to do this, but they do not earn the income that they are looking for because they do not approach things in the right way. In this training, we will show you how to start a profitable online coaching business. Because it is easy to start online coaching, a lot of people dive right in and do not get the results that they were expecting. You have to have the right mindset to be a successful online coach. Without this, you are doomed to failure. We will show you in this training the mindset that you need and how you can develop it. Having a plan for your online coaching business is very important. Without a plan, you will never know if you are truly successful or not. We will show you exactly what you need to include in your plan so that you have the best chance of success. You need to make the right impression as an online coach, and this starts with your website. There's no need to spend a lot of money on a fancy website. It just needs to be professional, and we will explain what you need. To make a healthy profit, you need to attract the right clients. We have proven methods in this training that will help you to find those clients. You will see that you have a number of options here. Some will require a small investment, while others are free and will require effort on your part. There are a number of ways that you can grow your online coaching business, and we have some good ideas for you in this training. We also provide you with details of some useful tools that will help you to manage your online coaching business effectively.